Insightly CRM is a versatile and user-friendly customer relationship management platform designed to help businesses organize, manage, and grow their relationships with customers and clients. Ideal for small to medium sized businesses, Insightly integrates tools for project management, lead tracking, and marketing automation, providing an all in one solution for teams seeking efficiency and collaboration. In today's competitive business environment, maintaining meaningful customer interactions is vital for success. Insightly CRM not only streamlines these interactions, but also enhances productivity by integrating with popular tools like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and other third party applications. This tutorial will guide you through the core features and functionalities of Insightly CRM, ensuring you can maximize its potential for your business. So let's get started. So just head on to Insightly CRM's website. And from here, you can always try the CRM for free by clicking right here in the top right. So after signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to your dashboard. So this is how your home dashboard will look like. So you'll see tables and graphs right here regarding how or what the performance of your business is going. As you can see total sales reps right here, lost opportunities by reason, also see your sales pipeline funnel, your total sales, and all of these performance metrics right here. So we have the features right here on the left hand side. Next is the tasks. So if you want to get started, just first do all of these tasks provided by Insightly first, such as personalizing your account, adding your customers, invite your team, save your emails, and connect to your files and apps. So to use this tasks feature, you can always create new tasks by clicking right here in the top right. So just fill up all of this information right here and click on save. Now, if your task is done, you can see this check mark right here. You can always click it. And as you can see, the task is successfully marked as complete. Next is your contacts. So this is just a sample contacts. As you can see in the tag, there is this sample data tag. So to add a new contact, just simply click on new contact right here in the top right. Enter their name, the organization, title, and of course the contact details. You can also add address informations, dates to remember, description, and all of this information right here. After filling this up, click on save and you're successfully created your new contact. So if you don't want to manually add your contacts one by one, you can always import contacts. So as you can see, there is this import contacts option right here. You can see you can set up your Google integration to import your contacts from Gmail. You can import your contacts from MailChimp. And of course, you can always import your contacts from a CSV file or an Excel file. Next is our leads. So again, we have sample leads right here. So if you want to add new leads, again, click here, new lead. Just fill up all of this information. And again, if you don't want to do it manually, we have the import leads option right here. Next is organizations. So again, you will see all of the organizations on your contacts. So again, the same thing for your contacts and leads. You can always add new organizations by filling this up manually, or again, just import your organizations and notes. Next is opportunities. Again, it's just the same as all of its features right here, but organized separately. So from here, you'll see all of the opportunities. Again, these are just sample opportunities. You can always add new ones and import if you already have those. Next is your projects. From here, you'll see all of the projects you're currently working on. So as you can see, the project status is completed, not started, or in progress. You can also see when the project was created. So let's click on a project right here. So this is the detailed view of your project. Next is the time. So basically, this is your daily timesheet. So you can add a time entry right here. So just choose what project you're working on or choose the task that you're working on. You can add your notes right here or optional notes and select the number of hours or minutes you're working this. Now, after doing that, just click on submit, and then all of your team members or workmates in this CRM will see your timesheet. Next is emails. So from here, you will see all of your received emails. You can also filter this out to sent emails or shared emails or scheduled emails. So to create a new email, just click right here in the top right. So as of now, I can't create a new email because I haven't connected my email account. So they also have email templates right here. So as you can see, and of course, you can always add a new email template. Next is your calendar. So from here, you'll just see a calendar where you can add appointments or schedules. So let's say you have a appointment with a lead for tomorrow. Just can always click on the tomorrow's box and add an event. After doing so, just click on save and you're good to go. Now you'll see that on this day you have an appointment or there is an event. Next is dashboards. So you can see all of your dashboards like right here, such as the opportunities dashboard, projects dashboard, leads dashboard, and again you can always add a new one. And lastly is reports. So from here you'll just see advanced reporting. So just feel free to explore more about these reports if you want to. And basically, that is how Insightly CRM works. So those are all of the features. So just sign up for a free account and feel free to explore more about the features to get yourself running using Insightly CRM. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.